Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to start by confirming permissions and selecting the right inputs. First, open Privacy or Security and enable microphone access for your recorder app. Once done, open the recorder and pick the specific input, built-in mic, USB microphone, or a virtual audio device. Make sure the recorder is allowed to capture system audio if that option exists. While you're here, unmute and raise input gain to a safe test level so you can hear whether audio captures immediately. Now route the system sound into the recorder. If your app supports system audio, enable that feature. Otherwise, install a virtual audio driver or loopback tool and set playback to that virtual device. Next, set the recorder's input to the same virtual device so desktop audio and mic feed into one track. Monitor levels in your recorder and the OS mixer. Adjust output and input volumes until peaks sit below clipping. Once routing is confirmed, run a short test recording to validate both mic and system audio are present. Finish by making a controlled test recording and listening carefully. If both sources are present, save your preset and proceed. If you hear echo or low volume, lower system output and increase mic gain or enable noise reduction only if needed. Before final capture, restart the recorder and reselect the virtual device so settings stick. Troubleshooting tip: if you still get no audio, immediately check OS permissions and device routing. Often the recorder is denied access or the playback device isn't set to the virtual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.